In this video, I'll show you how to color grade your image on Mobile Lightroom. First, click on the light icon and go to curve. Bring up the midpoint to get some light on the model. Then bring down the lower point to get some contrast on the overall image. Now go back to the light panel and work on the exposure. Increase the contrast to around positive 14. Then bring down the highlights. Get some light on the shadows. Bring down the whites for a realistic image. Now, scroll to the right and click on the color icon. Now click on the color mix. Increase the hue slider up a bit. Increase the saturation. Now click on the blue color mix. Bring up the saturation. Now to the dark blue color mix. Bring up the saturation also. Now to the purple color. Click on done to close the color mix. Increase the saturation and the vibrance of the overall image. Click on effects. Add some black vignette effect. Next, click on detail. Bring up the color noise reduction. We can see some noise or grain on this model's face, so we are going to zoom in and increase on the noise reduction for a nice skin. Go back to the orange color mix. Increase the saturation of the orange to get a nice skin color. Now let's look at the overall before and after. Click on the share icon at the top to save your image.